Today I'm going to show you how to turn a storyboard image into a high quality video using Syntx.ai. If you want to follow along, go in the link in the description, use my code to get a 15% discount on Syntx subscriptions. This website has everything we need, all of the tools we need. So let's get started to create videos such as the one you are going to see on screen right now. It's pretty insane, right? And it went just from a single image into this high quality video. Let me show you one more example. Pretty insane. So let's get started. First of all, I'm using Syntx because with a single subscription, we can get loads of AI usage for text, image, and video generators. And that's what we need to create these high quality videos. Also, the process I'm going to show you today is super efficient and super cheap because you generate a single image and a single video from the image instead of generating multiple images and then making multiple videos and having to edit them afterwards in a software. And what I like about Syntx is that we can get access to all of these different state-of-the-art models with just 7.5 euros per month, which is insane. And with my discount code, this becomes even cheaper. But not only that, Syntx, which is the sponsor of today's video, is also quite cheaper per query, per model versus the other competitors, the other aggregator software. So obviously, this is arguably the best subscription to get. So let's begin first by going into the text option, selecting Claude Opus 5. What we want to ask it is to create a storyboard workflow from text, image to video, and then send it our idea. What it's going to do is it's going to generate the first initial prompt for the image generator, where we will generate the storyboard with all of the different scenes. I would suggest that you select scenes up to 15 seconds in total, because this is what most video generators allow. Then it's going to give you some edit prompts if you want to improve specific parts of the storyboard. And finally, it will give you a very simple video prompt because all the information that the video generator needs is inside the storyboard. So let's go to the image tab now, where we are going to select GPT image 2 from GPT image, select a 16:9 aspect ratio, and for settings, I go to medium to minimize my costs and maximize my quality. You can even go 4K and high detail effort, but really you don't need it. GPT image 2 is already a GOAT. You don't need to overcomplicate anything. So I give the first prompt of the storyboard where we have a dragon, we have a knight, they fight together. And what we see here on the storyboard is that each scene has its own shot angle and its own seconds, and also its own image. So the video generator is going to understand each one of these scenes, generate them on the fly, and combine them together. And this is very powerful. I added a second prompt that is a cartoonish video of a cheesecake meeting a pancake, and they go and eat together and do bicycle together. So this is just a second example. Looks beautiful, everything is clean, we see each one shot. And of course, if you want, you can go ahead and tell the image to edit one of these scenes for you if you want to add new scenes. But this is going to be the overall layout of your video. And you see how with a single image, you can generate all of these multiple shots. There is consistency between each shots. You can see that the characters are exactly the same at each shot. The cartoonish style and everything is very consistent, and this is the most powerful thing about storyboards. It's not only the cost and the simplicity, but also the consistency. That is, an emergent capability of the latest image generation models. So then you want to go to the video tab, open up a new session, and what you want to say is you want to add the storyboard image and get the prompt that Claude created for us automatically and optimized on here. In my opinion, you should use Seedance 2.0, 4K quality, Pro mode, aspect ratio set and duration set here. You can also turn audio on or off. And we generated here the first video. I'm going to play it for you right now. lovely. And then we generated also the second video with the cartoons, pancakes and cheesecakes. And let's see together here. Pretty amazing, right? And this is how you can go from a simple idea, a simple story, use Claude Opus to create your amazing script and your amazing prompts, make them even better than what you would have initially done. Takes 1 minute, you send the query, you get done, then you go, you generate the images, just another minute, and then you go and generate the videos. Video generation with Seedance at 4K quality takes 4 to 5 minutes, but you can do 2 requests at the same time using Syntx, and you get your videos ready. You can post online, you can add them into your videos, you can do whatever you want, and this workflow saves you so much time. In just 5 to 10 minutes, you get 2 super high quality videos of your ideas, and you can use them wherever you want. And all of that is done within your subscription, so you don't have to pay a lot of money. In the past, this kind of animations, this kind of stuff would take artists days and would cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And now you can do it with just $8 per month in just 10 minutes. This is the power of AI. So if you want to follow along and try it on your own, the link for Syntx will be down below. Make sure to use the discount code to save on money, even if you want to get like a bigger subscription like VIP, Pro, or whatever you want. They've got loads of plans customized for you. And if you want to learn more about AI, I've got a very cheap course down below in the description, hosted on Udemy. You buy once, you keep forever, and get all of the updates that are done every single week, every single month. Thank you so much for watching.